Today we're looking at the wrydao S2 robot vacuum and mop, a budget 3 in 1 cleaner promising 5,000 Pascal suction and smart features. It's designed for automated daily cleaning on hard floors and light carpets. We'll break down its real-world performance and overall value. Check the link in the description for the best price. We evaluate how the wrydao S2 performs in daily cleaning tasks. This unit handles daily dust, crumbs, and light pet hair well, making it suitable for routine hard floor maintenance. The mopping feature is for light maintenance, not deep scrubbing, serving as a secondary pass after vacuuming. Its smart navigation is better than random, but it lacks the precision and efficiency of premium LiDAR systems. The anti-tangle design is a notable advantage, making it a better option for pet owners with hair-heavy homes. The wrydao S2 delivers decent performance on hard floors and handles pet hair well, though its mopping function is more for light maintenance. We examine the feature set and competitive position of the wrydao S2. Getting vacuuming, mopping, app, and voice control offers substantial value for a robot in this price category. The advertised 5,000 Pascal suction power is a competitive specification, indicating solid performance potential for daily cleaning tasks. Its scheduling and remote control capabilities significantly reduce daily effort, improving convenience for users. While a strong budget contender, established brands may offer better long-term reliability and support for their products. This robot provides a broad set of features and strong suction claims, offering good value for its price compared to many budget options. It's essential to understand potential risks and limitations before buying. Users should clear areas of cords and small objects. Obstacle avoidance is not foolproof and can cause issues. wrydao has a limited track record for customer service and replacement parts, posing a long-term risk for support. High suction numbers don't guarantee deep carpet cleaning, so expectations for heavy-duty tasks should be moderated. Relying on a robust return policy is crucial when purchasing from a lesser-known brand to mitigate potential dissatisfaction. Buyers should be aware of potential risks regarding navigation and brand support, although general purchasing safety can be managed with a strong return policy. The wrydao S2 is a conditional buy. It presents a strong feature set for its budget price, especially for vacuuming and light mopping on hard floors in simpler homes. However, its navigation isn't as advanced as premium models, and the brand's long-term support is unproven. Consider it if you prioritize an affordable all-in-one solution for basic cleaning needs.